Hey, what is up, guys? It's Pat through the block, it's Hamster, and
Temmie from Temmie Gaming. And
we're so glad to be back with another drone unboxing video. So let's see what we have here.
Now what we have here is the Peregrine Wi-Fi 720p 120 wide-angle HD camera. That's the camera it has. Now this, it's not like, if you've seen my channel, you know I unbox things like the bugs. Now you should not be expecting like the stabilization and the video quality from the bugs, but it's nice to fly around as like a fun little quadricopter. Yeah, you're not supposed to be expecting DJI, but it's very fun if you like have something like the Hubson and now you have like this. It's fun to fly around and you don't really have to worry if you lose it or something.
Exactly, and like this isn't, see what I have here. So this is
this was only $40.
It's actually pronounced the Peregrine. I know it's kind of hard to pronounce for some people. Some people pronounce it the Peregrine.
And it actually means Peregrine means actually like falcon, eagle. I actually looked it up. That's what it means. So it's pretty cool.
Now this is the upgrade version, which has altitude hold, but
and 2 batteries.
Oh yeah. UDIRC is super nice because they usually give you 2 batteries. But one downside with this is, unfortunately, with the altitude hold, that replaces 1 key return. But that's okay, because this is good for stable shots. So let's look at the features. We have take photos, videos, there's Wi-Fi FPV, iPhone phone control, which is a bit harder than the controller. And Temmie, would you agree that usually when you control it with your phone, it like, you kind of like have, you can't feel like the authentic controls?
Yeah, it's not really stable.
Okay, so we also have headless mode, which for some people like Temmie, it can be a bit tricky, but
you don't have to use it.
Yeah, it's good for beginners though. I'll talk about that during the review. 360 flips, really cool, and automatic takeoff and landing. Great feature on altitude hold drones. Okay, so
here are some QR codes for if you have Android,
like Temmie.
Android or Apple Store.
And the app's called Flying C. Okay, so
yeah, which you use, and also has emergency stop.
Oh yeah, that's for all altitude.
Now I just need to tell you a sad story. Some that happened with, I had this drone before, and I was just flying it, and it was very cold. And what happened was, I think it just did a flyaway. It just flew away. Nothing happened. I tried everything, it flew away. So
yeah, we're not gonna fly outside because like snowing like crazy right now. We have low battery alarm and
some cool things. It says the app is Flying C. It has custom flight route mode, which I mean that's cool, but it doesn't work too well with a drone that can't go too far.
I just want to zoom in.
It also has
see what it is.
VR. So you can do the double image VR.
Yeah, which unfortunately doesn't come with a VR goggle, but if you have your own, that's nice. So this is the controller.
It's only like $10.
It's the same one as the Cheerwing, except it has the Wi-Fi stand and the phone mount and the sun shield, whereas the Cheerwing and all the other drones without FPV, they just have a video button and a photo button.
This is basically the one that a lot of other drones have.
Yeah.
Almost a lot of UDIRC drones. So
now it does say ages 14 and up. However, if you have some experience in drones, that's not a problem. Now, when I got this on Amazon, I think I got the Cheerwing one, so I'm expecting a Cheerwing like satisfaction guide, but I don't know if there will be. Let's
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna
let's show the charging methods first real quick.
Oh, charging methods.
So
yes.
It uses a USB charger. Unfortunately, there is no cord on it. It's just like a little block. You can use your phone, wall charger, power bank, which I love to use, computer, or car charger. So now on to the fun part. We're gonna unbox the drone.
All right, let's do this.
This is a bit annoying. I might actually
most of the time I use my handy dandy scissors, but
we don't. But
most of the time.
Let me do the other one. This is like probably the most annoying part about drone unboxing.
Unless you have your friend handy dandy scissors. I'm gonna name my scissors that I use in my videos, since they've been in almost all of my videos. I'm gonna name them.
Okay, listen to this. This might sound kind of satisfying. Or will it?
Freaking tape ASMR. It's basically tape ASMR.
Listen to that.
Ooh, that's good. That's some good tape ASMR.
Okay, get that out of the way. So I guess, Temmie, you can,
You know what?
Yeah, just... Wait, let me see. Is it off?
Wait, here we go. Okay, let me try this. Oh, we almost got it. And... Wow, this took like a minute. A whole minute.
Wait. Don't destroy the...
Wait. There we go.
There we go. So, let's see. Do we get the guide? No, we do not. But let's, so Temmie, why not slide that out? Wow. So here's the, manual. Put that aside.
We'll definitely read the manual to see working temperatures.
I don't think it says it.
It probably will.
Wait, don't pull on the cord, please.
Wait, I'm not gonna pull on the cord.
Here's the, Can you not do that?
Okay. Right, there's no other way to get that out.
No. Okay, yeah. It is pretty hard to get out. Let me see. Yeah, you know what? I might have to. Or can I? You know what? Let me stop. Okay, I think what you have to do is these plastic things, annoying things, are like holding it down. You have to like really push them in like this. Then you can slide out. There we go. So here's our secondary battery. We'll put it here. And let's see what it is. UDIRC LiPo 500 milliamp 3.7 volts.
And it's got this cool thing on the end. I don't know why, but
that's so that like you can pull it out easily in case.
Oh.
So you don't like if it's tight.
Alright, okay, so what we got here
prop guards.
Prop guards, very nice for flying inside. This is a very good inside drone.
And here comes the beauty. Hold on, gotta put these annoying plastic.
This is a good way. Just
okay.
The end.
It's a bit heavier than you'd expect, and let me compare
it with the film off the camera.
Yep, gotta take that off, otherwise you're not gonna get a good image quality. Okay, so the extra battery is actually over here. It is not in the drone.
Oh,
yeah, that's a okay.
Boom.
The controller is as annoying as the Cheerwing to take out. Here's the controller, nice.
And the sun put the sun shield on.
You don't have to put on now though.
But
you can, yeah, just put on.
There we go. Just clips on like that. Looks nice.
Let's see what we have. Primary battery. Put that aside and see what's in the quote unquote bag of goodies. Okay, so Temmie, why not you open this up and first let's see what micro SD card we have in here.
All right.
And by the way, here's the micro SD card.
Micro SD reader with the card.
Course. Hold on. Okay, so there is no actual battery inside here. It's just the cord. Snap that back.
Let me show you right here.
Is the micro SD slot.
That's where you put the micro SD.
It's where the antenna is as well. Now I tell you the truth.
Oh wait, I forgot to tell you.
Yeah,
it actually comes with a SanDisk.
High quality.
4 GB micro SD.
What class is it? Is it class 4?
Let me see.
Yeah, it's a class 4.
Yeah, it's a class 4.
That's good for recording 720p video. So let's now tell you the truth. I think some ways this is copying two designs. The camera is a bit of a copy of the Bebop, and the like wings you can call it, and the landing gear are a bit of a copy of the Unique if you think about it.
Yeah, it sort of has the same body design as the Unique.
Okay, but let's continue.
The camera looks a lot like the
Let's
Bebop.
continue with the bag of goodies.
But of course you're not getting the same quality.
How about let's see what's oh yeah, of course. We have the USB charger, which is pretty nice. It charges your batteries one at a time.
Right now, while he's talking about that, I'm just gonna put on.
There's like an orientation for this, just to say. Like the 2 pop guards go on one side, the 2 go on the other side. It's like a special kind. You also have. Wait a minute, is this 4 sets? Oh wait, no. This is actually 2 sets of propellers. So if you ever crash this a lot into the wall and stuff, this will be actually really useful, because I have heard like on some reviewers that these props are very fragile and they tend to like break easily. You also have a little metal tool to help you remove the prop, and the reason why is because these motors, if you actually pull them out, you can actually risk pulling them out from the slot, which is why you have to hold the motor down and use the tool to remove it. Okay, so this is for extras. I'm gonna go ahead and take the or no, I'll just leave this here. Seal up the bag of goodies. And tell me, I think we have a little problem here. I don't know why, but one of these batteries
that looks a bit bent.
Is like there's like a ding in here, and also it's like ballooned or swollen. So I don't know if this is safe to use.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at that.
Put all the propellers on and it looks nice.
Yep.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty cool with those on.
And this battery is just okay. I think the problem with this, I might not be able to use this much. My plan is to I have some extra Digital Kingdom batteries which I'm gonna use as well, but Temmie unfortunately crashed his drone, like I said. He lost it somewhere, and he has another battery.
No, what it just did is it flew away.
Yeah, it flew away, but I'm gonna use his other battery with this, so that will work out, along with my Digital Kingdom batteries, of course. Okay, so let me put all of the accessories.
I'm just reading this manual right now to see if it says something about like the good flight temperatures, or because I know with some drones.
Does it say anything? Did you get the prop cards on right? Yes, he did.
Yeah, I'm just.
Because you have to put them on like.
It.
Okay.
Instructions, notice.
Am I missing anything?
Notice. Page 3. Safety precautions. Use correctly. Keep away from.
Alright, so this controller has basically the same thing almost as the Cheerwing, and see what batteries it uses.
Yeah, this doesn't say much about like flight temperatures, but don't fly it if it's incredibly cold.
Yeah.
Because
it uses 4 AAA batteries. You can use like basically any kind, as long as you don't like mixed batteries, which I'm actually gonna use.
Batteries doesn't work very
rechargeable batteries, but remember, for some RCs, especially air hogs, they do have a lower voltage than alkaline batteries. Just something to keep in mind. Oh no, that's not good.
Crap.
It's okay. The controller is pretty durable.
Yeah.
Just a bit of dust, just like wipe that off. Okay. This is basically like it is brand new. So I will catch you guys in the review video, and we would like to say goodbye to you guys. And
you're gonna see us when we're flying outside in our field.
Bye. It's gonna be a try or don't buy. See you later.